You thought you could put a lid on a volcano. You thought you could unplug the sun. You didn't extinguish the fire. You just pressurized the gas.
You built a box of shadows, you threw away the key, trying to dim the brilliance that was burning inside of me. You said I was too bright, you said I was too loud, trying to hide my spirit underneath a heavy cloud. You wanted me to flicker, to fade out in the cold, to do what I was ordered, to do what I was told. But energy is constant, it doesn't disappear. It accumulates in silence, feeding on the fear. You squeezed the light so tightly, you thought you had control, but you were only charging up the battery of my soul. The static started rising, the hair stood on your arm. The warning signs were flashing, the red alert alarm. You pushed me past the limit, you forced the final change. Now the atmosphere is shifting, looking wild and strange. They try to cage my light, put me in a jar, but now I'm burning hotter than a collapsing star. The pressure broke the filament, the glass began to sting. I became lightning, the most dangerous wild thing. I strike without a warning, I shatter every wall. I am the electric storm that answers the final call. You wanted a candle, you got a million volts. I became lightning, breaking all the bolts. You can't catch at your thunderbolt, you can't hold the flash. I turn your wooden prisons into piles of smoking ash. I move at the speed of thought, jagged and undefined, the ultimate expression of a liberated mind. I illuminate the skyline, I tear the roof apart. I'm the shock therapy for a frozen stone cold heart. You created this monster when you tried to dim the glow. Now I'm the high voltage current that runs the whole damn show. The sky is splitting open, the ground begins to shake. This is the storm of centuries that you helped to make. 100,000 volts in distorted synth bass. Current running, circuit breaking, power surging, earth shaking. I am not the flame anymore, I am the stripe, I am the flash, I'm the boom. They try to cage my light, put me